Hello, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to crack a coconut. At work today, bunch of guys, they got together and they want to know how to crack a coconut the right way. So my goal in this video is to show you how to crack a coconut and take the meat out. So here's what you're going to need. You are going to need a coconut, of course, a butcher knife, a knife to take the meat out, and a bowl to catch the juice. So I'm going to grab the coconut. Now here's the coconut shell. There are 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Every coconut shell, 99% of them, have 3 lines. And if you want to use straws, you can poke a hole through here, but that's not a video. But our goal today is to show you how to crack a coconut. And with a butcher knife, notice I'm not using the sharp end. I'm going to use the dull end of the butcher knife. Okay, so we're going to move over to the bowl. Right over the bowl, because I'm going to hit it twice. One right on top of the line. And then I'm going to turn to the other side and hit on the other, on top of the other line. The goal is to get a clean cut right around the shell. So, here we go. And as you can see, it's a little messy. The line is kind of not really clean, but you know, it's been a while since I've done this. So the next goal is, here's the juice. The next goal is the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use a knife, as you can see, and I'm going to get the meat out. So this is what you do. You're going to angle the knife, and you push it through, and as you push through the center of the shell, you're gonna turn the knife. So there you go. There is 1, and there is 2, and there is 3. So you can do all the way around, and that will give you like some. So as you can see, I only did half of it, but if I can do this in like 5 seconds and go all the way around, but you know, it takes a little practice sometimes. It has been a while since I did this, but I wanted to just show you how it is done. So there you have it. There is the meat. Very good. I know some of you don't like coconut, but it's good. And there's the juice. You may want to filter it out, drink it, and this is a good source of potassium. And there you go. Now you have it, a cracked coconut.